We are surrounded by energy, yet the price of energy is rising. To understand this, we need to understand how we obtain energy. There are basically two ways energy is obtained. One way is the extraction of tangible energy such as coal from the earth itself, and the other is by harnessing renewable energy from the sun or wind through technology. Extracting and transporting fossil fuels are becoming more expensive as reserves become harder to reach. Energy loss of up to 67% also contributes to the scarcity and high cost of this resource. Renewable energy sources such as solar and wind have an almost limitless supply, but their high initial cost remains a significant barrier due to limited adaptability in current harnessing technologies. Current harnessing technologies rely on maximum power point tracking inverters, which are unable to optimize time, resulting in a loss of potential energy. To maximize energy, time must also be taken into consideration, as energy is equal to power multiplied by time. A new technology does just that by introducing time using the patented power series dynamic connections. It works like internet routers, but uses two types of switching, power series and source load switching. This is what makes it a novel technology. The use of solar watt peak to measure solar panel capability is no longer necessary with the shift to the switching battery watt peak and load isolated charging system. This system allows for smaller solar panels to be used, though larger panels remain the preferred choice. The truth is constant and unchangeable, but what is considered true can vary depending on the perspective from which events are witnessed over time. Similarly, the power series battery connection method is considered the truth in battery systems, as it enables both parallel series switching and source load switching, allowing for precise control. Parallel is for efficient, while series is for efficient discharging. By using this method, simultaneous charging and discharging of the batteries is made possible. The switching battery system is like a pumping battery system where higher source voltage is no longer necessary but preferred for optimal performance. Source load switching is a way to make sure the switching battery system always has energy available. The switching battery system is like a banking system with a checking account feature, where energy is stored like money in a bank account. The batteries in the system are charged when they are not being used, so they are always ready to provide energy when they are needed, kind of like how we sleep to recharge. Power series voltage modulation enables switching battery systems to produce AC or DC without needing separate inverters or converters, thanks to the system's ability to generate sinusoidal waveforms. The switching battery system offers an alternative approach to motor control that incorporates benefits similar to VFD and BLDC motors, such as precise control over speed and torque, without the added cost of separate controllers. Additionally, the switching battery system includes features such as source load switching and battery management and safety, making it an integrated and efficient solution for powering motors. By modulating the voltage and frequency of the electrical signal supplied to the motor, the switching battery system allows for optimal efficiency and effectiveness while reducing overall system costs. Motors cannot increase their torque and speed at the same time. But now, with switching battery systems, we can increase power whenever we need to, which allows us to increase both torque and speed at the same time using electronic battery connections. We can do this by controlling the voltage to frequency ratio, which means we can adjust how much power is used to make the motor go faster or have more torque. It's kind of like moving from point 1 to point 3 in this illustration when we need to increase speed and torque. With this technology, we can have both speed and power when we need it. The switching battery system utilizes voltage shifting technology through power series connections, which produces the minimum voltage from parallel connection and maximum voltage from series connection. By electronically adding more batteries, the system can increase the series voltage. This technology also enables the system to shift the solar watt peak to switching battery watt peak, allowing for more efficient energy storage. Solar-powered electric vehicles have a major advantage with the voltage shifting technology that allows for smaller solar photovoltaic panels. As a result, the entire system becomes more cost-effective due to the use of rechargeable DC motors. Switching battery systems can unlock time and improve technology in three important ways. Firstly, solar panels work better. With this technology, we can make solar panels more efficient by over 100%. That means we can get even more energy from the sun and use it to power our homes and gadgets. Secondly, batteries work better. The battery system becomes more efficient by over 30%. This means we can store more energy for later use and not waste any energy. Lastly, motors cost less. This technology can help lower the cost of motors by over 50%. That means we can use motors for more things and not have to pay as much for them. With source load switching, the efficiency can be even better, sometimes over 150%, depending on how we use it. That's like getting more energy because our battery systems couple well with renewable technology. The everywhere energy is not a new concept, but it's a radical one that we often overlook. We are surrounded by energy all the time, but we fail to see it in terms of time. If we can start to see time in action and in moments, we can harness energy more efficiently and at a cheaper cost using switching battery technology. Conversely, energy becomes scarce when batteries are used solely as static storage units. At Switching Battery, our goal is to create a sustainable planet powered by the everywhere energy. Our vision is to revolutionize the energy industry by unlocking the potential of time-based connections through innovative routing technologies. With our mission to connect the dots forward, we are dedicated to making the Earth a more livable planet for generations to come.